In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Verify. Welcome everyone. If you're here, it means you're ready to strengthen your Xero account security by enabling two-factor authentication with Xero Verify. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA as it's commonly called, adds an extra layer of protection to your account, ensuring that it's much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. So let's get started on setting this up together. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero website. Once you've arrived, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This takes us to our first major step, which is logging into your Xero account. Simply type in your Xero account's email and password. Once you've filled in those details, go ahead and click on the login button to proceed. Now, assuming you've successfully logged in, your next step is to locate your profile photo. You'll find this at the top of the dashboard, typically in the upper right corner as well. Sometimes it might just be an initial if you haven't set a profile photo. Clicking on your profile photo will bring down a menu. From there, you'll want to select the option labeled Account. Once you're in the account section, you'll see various account settings options. Look for a button or link labeled Setup next to the two-factor authentication section. Clicking on Setup is your first real step towards adding that extra security layer, so let's proceed with confidence. Next up, you'll be presented with several options for two-factor authentication. You're going to want to select Use Xero Verify. It's at this point I need to pause and pass on an important piece of advice. If you haven't already, this is the perfect moment to download the Xero Verify app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on your device. This app is going to be your gateway to generating login codes, making the login process both secure and straightforward. Now having the Xero Verify app installed, you're ready to link it with your Xero account. Back in the Xero account settings, upon selecting Use Xero Verify, a QR code will be displayed on your screen. This is where your phone comes into play. Open the Xero Verify app and use it to scan the QR code that's displayed on your computer screen. This step essentially syncs the app with your Xero account, establishing a secure connection between the two. And guess what? That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication using Xero Verify for your Xero account. From now on, whenever you log into Xero, after entering your email and password, you'll be prompted to enter a code. Open your Xero Verify app to find this code. It changes every few seconds for maximum security, and enter it on the login page. This proves that it's really you trying to access your account, adding an impressive layer of security that keeps your data safe. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips to ensure you get the most out of Xero Verify. Always make sure your phone is charged and accessible whenever you need to access Xero. If you're ever planning on changing phones, remember to transfer Xero Verify to your new device to maintain uninterrupted access to your account. And finally, regularly check for updates with the Xero Verify app to ensure you're benefiting from the latest security features and improvements. Thank you for joining me today to learn about setting up and using Xero Verify. Protecting your digital accounts has never been more critical, and by following these steps, you're taking a giant leap forward in safeguarding your sensitive information. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and as always, stay safe online.